is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for butterfly, fluttering ahead. C is for cat with a soft little meow. D is for dog, wagging its tail right now. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for frog, who hops along. G is for giraffe, reaching so high. H is for horse, running through the sky. I is for iguana, so cool and green. J is for jellyfish, drifting serene. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, roaring so free. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in the seas. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for panda, cuddly and bright. Q is for queen, with a crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping to bed. S is for snake, slithering fast. T is for tiger, strong and vast. U is for unicorn, sparkling and bright. V is for volcano, with fiery light. W is for whale, swimming so wide. X is for xylophone, making music with pride. Y is for yak, so furry and tall. Z is for zebra, with stripes on its fall.